it's actually my birthday, and I got a new RC car, so we're gonna be driving that around today.
And
Yeah,
doing
we
some
are.
backflips.
All right.
Yeah, we are.
Subscribe. Together. Do a backflip. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more of these videos on the Goofy Trio.
And you can definitely call that Ross.
Yep. Ross is a boss.
So get one now.
And subscribe to the Goofy Trio.
Well, I count that I'm paying it.
Subscribe to the Goofy Trio to be more goofy.
Hold the video.
Bye, guys. That's all for today.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to the Goofy Trio
Like and
for
subscribe
more
if you want.
content. And yeah.
Yeah. Sorry if it's bad. This is our first video.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Have a good